So I want to quickly go over my LAB2 setup with you guys. First of all, I'm connecting my potentiometer to pin GPIO 39 on the ESP32, which is pin A3. This pin serves as an input pin to receive the ADC value from the potentiometer, and then transform it into digital value so that the system can process that to change the frequency and duty cycle of the LED light over here. And the LED output is set to be GPIO 25. So I connected the positive end of the LED to that pin here, A1. And other than that, I just wired the ground of the LED, the potentiometer, and the ESP32 together on this line here. So a quick demonstration of the program. First of all, it's going to propose a prompt for time info. I'll set it to some random value here. And then, first of all, the LED starts blink at 10 Hz frequency. And the date and time gets printed out every 5 seconds in a readable manner. Okay, so right now, if I rotate the potentiometer, it doesn't have any effect on the LED display. But if I click the push button for the first time, now I should be able to toggle the frequency of the LED. So if I twist the potentiometer clockwise, it will blink slower, and vice versa. If I press the button for another time, I'm now setting the duty cycle of the LED, which you can see. Well, now it's because it's too bright so that you cannot see it blinking. But if I turn down the potentiometer for a bit, you will see that it's getting dimmer and dimmer while toggling at the same frequency. And I'll set it to a bit dimmer right now so that you can see. Okay, so now if I press the button again, as you can see, it's blinking, but it's the brightness doesn't change at all, so the duty cycle remains the same. It's just the frequency changed, which is required by the code. So how do I implement this lab is I set the first timer 0 to be the timer that handles the print function on the terminal, which prints out the time every 5,000 milliseconds, which is 5 seconds. And then I implement an external interrupt on the push button to detect any rising edge, so that once it detects the rising edge, it set the switch press to be true. Well, this handler will be called, which is this function. And then I implemented the debounce by using another timer to basically check the switch press status every 50 milliseconds. So it eliminates any bounce or unstable input. And then the ADC value is being read every 100 milliseconds. Based on the current mode, if it's 1, then I control the frequency. If the mode is 0, then I control duty cycle, and the value of ADC is updated here. And this timer is called strictly every 100 milliseconds, which is also as instructed. So as we are doing all these, time still gets printed out every 5 seconds. Yes. So yeah, that's basically all of my LAB2. Thank you for watching.